Everyone always says, oh, I'd love to have a food truck. And I figured I'd just make a quick video to show you what it's like. It's Saturday morning, and we have a big catering today. This is the truck to start the day, and here we go. Here's my first product run of the day. I've got 2 cases of bone-in chicken, 1 case of boneless chicken, some other products here, greens, oil. I've got to clean the fryer. Lots of product here. All right. It's about 4 hours later, and I am heading to the food truck again to go ahead and get ready for the service. All right, see you soon. Okay, I'm in the car headed to get one more ingredient. I'm about to show y'all how we get down before we slay this catering. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get in. And we are going to fly over to the truck, make sure that everything is in place and getting ready and that we're on track for everything, and then we will get going. Okay, so here we go. We're at an RV park. There's another food truck. There's another one, 2. There's another one of mine. Okay, I hear the generator on. We're gonna have to go get gas for the generator to get everything cracking. And there's our truck. All right, let's get the show on the road. I'm headed to the catering now. I've got 3 lovely ladies in the back, and I figured now would be a better time than any to go over the menu with you all and let you know what's going on for today. So we're going to Gold Canyon, Arizona, to a retirement community. This is a 55 plus community, and this is their spring social. They have pre-sold 800 plates. There'll be 3 food trucks serving the food. It will be, of course, us, Buzz and Bees. It will also be Queso Good and Burgers Amore. And we're gonna hopefully get as much food out as fast as we can between the hours of 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So we're looking at a 4.5-hour time frame, and hopefully we will break a record of selling the most plates that we've ever done on this food truck. Our menu today is 2-piece Southern fried chicken and 1 side, a grilled Jamaican jerk chicken bowl which comes with jasmine rice and grilled veggies in it. We're offering a vegetarian bowl, a smoked barbecue pulled pork sandwich, and 1 side, red beans and rice, and fish and chips. So that's the menu. The ladies are getting everything ready as we drive down the road. I'll go ahead and give you a quick sneak peek of what's going on back there. They said that everything's almost ready because they've been on the truck for about 3 hours. Like I said, it's prep for, I'm hoping that we sell at least 300 plates, and then things will be good. So I'm gonna put the camera over my shoulder and then get back to it. All right, there you have it. So I will holler at y'all in a little bit. You get some beautiful scenery sometimes when you drive entering Pinal County. We're out of Maricopa County now. There's the Superstition Mountains. We're about 15 minutes out from our event. I hate it when traffic's like this. I might just need to, oh, we're okay. I was gonna say we might just need to dip over on that side lane and make moves. Even though the 5 is right there, that wouldn't have been a problem. But we should be good though. All right, we're here. Okay. All right. Gold Canyon Retirement Community, here we come. Queso Good is over there set up already. We got active adults in the community here. A nice little clubhouse for everyone. And, all right, little pond. There's Queso Good, Burgers Amore, and it looks like some sort of wings outfit. But we have to drive up this hill, which is going to be a crazy drive. Okay, mother of pearl, do you see that drive right here? All right, ladies, hold on. It's a pretty steep hill we're going on. If you're buying anything hot, get away from it. Okay, we're about to hit this hill up right here. Hold on, everyone. What happened? Okay, we're here. I'm gonna go ahead and position us. We got fried chicken going into the warmer. We got the ladies here. So I'm competitive and I feel like we're losing right now because we don't have customers. And the other trucks do.